Y'all able to practice yet?
Yeah, we're not like padded up or anything, but we're
They
starting.
start Monday.
Start Monday.
Nice.
For pads and everything.
Love it when plans come together like that. All right, come on, we gotta do some more on that neck. Spin that to the left. Turn your head all the way to the left. Turn your head all the way to the right. Feel that tightness?
Mm-hmm.
Turn back to the left. You starting this year?
Yes, sir. I started last year.
Nice. What position are you playing?
Defensive man, like outside linebacker, or stand up being.
Okay. How are y'all looking this year?
Our secondary's not looking the best.
But we're hopeful.
Yeah.
Very, very hopeful.
There's been so much talent go through this school, it's unreal.
Well, and then a lot of them
Sure,
leave
that's right.
too, right